Hello everybody. I thought I would let you have a little look at this kit that I've just put up on in my Etsy shop. I've got a 25% sale at the moment as well, so yeah, just to help with the present times as they are. So I thought I might do that, you know, if I introduce a new kit, like a proper, you know, not the oddments or anything like that, but the proper kit, then I might do a sale for a few days. So then you get things as introductory prices, don't you? I mean, I could just put this up for sale, but anyway, I have got a sale. That's what I'm trying to say. Right, I've called it Beautiful Birds. Yeah, not very original really, but I'm not the greatest on naming my kits. They are what they are, you know. I spend my time, I suppose, doing the kits and into naming them. I usually have to ask my sister, Janet, what do you think that I should call that? I'm just terrible at naming them. Anyway, there's 11 pages in the base pages. 11 sheets in the base pages for the journal. Don't forget, mine's actually printed on a laser. Okay, you can get very similar results if you use matte photo paper on an inkjet. Very, very close, I will say. But, of course, this is quite shiny. But sometimes I like that matte finish on an inkjet. And I will, you know, they have their place. So I just like to print them out on both. My test pieces are in the house because I do that at night. And then I come in and print them on my laser when I've done. So it's that one. I think these birds are beautiful. And there's quite a few backgrounds as well, because I just find them very useful, the backgrounds, for different things. You make tags out of it. You can do all sorts, you know, envelopes. So that's why I include them. There's that one. And there's another one there. And you see I've included this as a background, and that's actually in that design, so we know it's going to coordinate. Yeah, do you see? So everything coordinates there. Make life easy for you. I know what it's like trying to look for that piece of paper that goes with another bit of paper. I've been there with mini albums. And I'm like, oh, just give me some prints. Spend more time looking for that one piece of paper than making a journal. And there's another one. I incorporated a little bit of pink in that, you know, but it's very muted. So, and I think that one's upside down. There. Then we've got this one. It doesn't sort of like, it goes, but it was an odd page I'd done a while ago, and I really like it. So I've just added it in, really. You know, you can either, but I just think it goes with some of it, you know, because I really loved it when I done it. But I just had nothing to put it in. And it does go with the green, so there's another one of them. Did I just show you that one? I hope I haven't done two of those. Oh, no. Nope. Yeah, that's one of the backgrounds. And I thought, well, these can be printed on the back, you know, for journaling on and everything. And they go quite nicely with everything. And then there's these. I've got a lot going on in the background there. So, and I thought, well, even if you had pockets coming down here and things like that, you could, you know, you could still utilise this page, but with still birds on. I love those birds. And then that's you know, one of the plain ones where you can make your envelopes, your base for your tags, all sorts. There, and another plain one. Okay, but I've got all the background of this one in here. Yeah, without it. That was sort of a bit of an extra as well, really. Because I thought they'd just come in handy with nothing on them, you know. That's that one. Okay, and here is the Addon. I honestly cannot remember how many pages. I think it's about 15, I think. Okay, these are the tall tags with the little envelopes, little pockets that go on them, okay? Or you can use those pockets somewhere else. It's just nice to fill in as well. I hate white space, you know, like I need to fill it in. And I'll try it. I usually fill it in with anything now. That's one of the coin envelopes and the coordinating journaling card. Okay. That's the big envelope. I think there's 2 of those there, but you can make them out of the other as well. You know, plainish ones to go with the kit, because if it's all the same, it's too much. I think you need something plain to sort of like balance out. And that's like one of the tall ones, which I tend to use these on when I do short pages, and they look quite nice. And I love that image. And the envelope there. Some pockets. I do like them the same because I tend to put them on the same page sometimes. And I've done a treble pocket, and I made sure, hopefully, that it fits. Once you put the sides in, it'll fit down the page. So you've got a treble pocket, and then there's 3 of these in the kit somewhere. I could only fit 2 there, but there's another one somewhere. All the same size, so they will fit in here. Page of tags. Just sort of normal size tags, and that one there can flip over the page if you wanted to. And incorporated some, just these, because I just thought, oh, I had that left. I thought, oh, I'll use those and make some sort of squarish ones, which they could do for pockets, but they're quite sort of big birds as well. They're quite sort of the shape of them. Then incorporated a few the faux stamps, the faux like dominoes. That's a domino size that you could use to emboss in. You can emboss them as well, and you can emboss them. Okay, I think that's 1.5 inches, those, 1 inch and 1 inch, something like that, hopefully. And then incorporated some of the plainish, you know, to sort of balance again. And it's got some lace border. I hope you can see that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm in the right place. Yeah. And then I've incorporated this page, because I usually shrink mine down, but I thought for ease of printing, especially people with iPads, you know, if I put them all on a page all shrunk down, then you can use them for your, you know, to cut out. Or little mistake there, look. Sorry, I needed to, you just cut around that anyway. I shall do that, because I copied it from here, and I've just sort of caught the edge of another one, but that's all right. And that's there. So they're all, you know, what size are they? They're quite small, but I use these for like me clusters and everything. I mean, they're not even 1 inch. They're about 1.25 inches by 1.5 inches. So you can see that, you know, they're just great for embellishing and everything. All right, that's there. And I think on this one I just added a few bits because I had this spare, so I just found a few bits and put in there rather than have a empty space. And this is the normal size tickets and banners, page tabs. That's the other one that we had missing. And then I just filled in here with a little mini postcards and a little journaling card there. These are the big journaling cards, which again can be shrunk down. If you do these, like take 2 pages, right, and then print them on an A4, they shrink down half the size again, which is great, you know. There's those, and that one there. I think that would be nice on the front cover, any of these. Okay, well, that's it. So I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.